Hello everybody, my name is Sanjay Kumar. I am from 86th batch of ISTD. My registration number is 27059. My project title is Designing a one-day training program for improving customer service for Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda is a leading bank in public sector category. It was founded by Maharaja Sayaji Rao Gaikwad III on 20th July 1908. Bank of Baroda was nationalized on 19th July 1969. Bank of Baroda stood first among nationalized bank and second among all public sector bank only after State Bank of India. Bank of Baroda head office is at Baroda. Corporate office is at Mumbai. Bank of Baroda branches are all over India from rural to metro. It has two joint venture, 8 domestic subsidiary, 7 overseas subsidiary and 1 overseas associate. Bank of Baroda have robust learning and development center called Baroda Academy. Baroda Academy conduct various online and offline training program for the employees of Bank of Baroda. But most of the training program which was conducted by Baroda Academy is on policy matter and procedure oriented. But Bank of Baroda is working in service industry. For service industry, soft skill training is very much necessary. Whether soft skill is required or not, we try to find out in this project. So objective of the study is whether soft skill training is necessary for service industry like Bank of Baroda, and one of the requirement to get the certificate is we have to conduct one study paper. So this report is conducted to fulfill the requirement for certificate. While conducting the research, we have framed the hypothesis how to give better customer service, because after the pandemic, customers are reluctant to human interaction. So in this situation, how to give better customer service and how to understand the customer sentiments. For this, we have collected the data through questionnaires and interview. The questionnaires consist of 30 questions and it was distributed to 50 different customers. In interview, we have 10 questions and we interacted with 10 customers. Then after getting the insight through data collection, we thought to prepare 2 days training program on customer service. But seeing the workload in the bank, we have conducted 1 day training program, and the training content mostly on communication skill, how to convey your idea, how to listen from the customer, even while saying no, how the employee should tell the customer that he could not do the work or he is unable to perform particular function, and at the same time the customer also should not get hurt. So we have designed the program and we run pilot program for 2 Saturdays. After the data analysis, the results were here. The questionnaire we have circulated to the customer, it has 5 parameters. One is strongly disagree, neutral, agree, or strongly agree. The customer were asked to tick their choices, and based on the choice, we came that almost all the customers which were interviewed or given the question, they are strongly agree or agreed that soft skill training is required for the bank employee. So our key findings are all the customer either agreed or strongly agreed on soft skill training for the employee for better customer service, and it also helped me in designing a training module on soft skill training. During the feedback, we found that the participant has very much liked the content. So my recommendation to the Baroda Academy learning verticals of Bank of Baroda, that policy and procedure training is required for giving a service, but at the same time, we cannot ignore the soft skill training which is required to understand the customer sentiments. If a employee is trained on soft skill, then he can put himself in the customer's shoes and better understand the situation. Accordingly, he can give his service. This way, customer loyalty will increase with the organization, and both customer as well as organization will get benefited with their mutual cooperation, and ultimately the customer will happy, organization will be also happy, because he is getting good customer and getting good business. Thank you.